This sangria fruit drink is very perfect for festive period like Christmas and EID, and also for celebration like birthday. Welcome back to my channel. I am Adiola Super. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make sangria fruit drink. Those are the fruits I'll be using for these drinks. Before cutting the fruit, I would like to make the ice block I will put in the middle of this drink, and this is how I'll be making it. This is what I'll be using to form the block I'll put in the middle of the fruit. So that is the empty container, about 2 liters of empty container. Then I pour water in the container, then I put a little round bottle in it in order to make a circle. So after that, I will add the slice of lemons and mint leaves in the water in order to make it ice block together with the water. Then I will put it in freezer and leave it about 3 or more hours until it turn to ice block. This is how it look like after 3 hours in freezer. Then I will cut the container with the knife to remove the plastic. So right now I have transferred it inside the big jar I will be using to mix all the fruit together. Right now I will start by adding the fruit one after the other, and this is blueberry, and the next one is grapes. This also red grapes. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to press the like button, and if you are watching me for the first time, I welcome you to my channel. I hope you stay. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell so that anytime I drop the new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. The next fruit I'll be adding is peach. All this fruit has been thoroughly washed and I've already cutted it in order to avoid the video to be too long, and you can cut all these fruit in your desired shape. The next fruit I'll be adding is kiwis. Another fruit that will be going right inside there is strawberry. This is how I layer all the fruit set by set. So these are the fruit I'll be using for this fruit drink, and you can use any fruit of your choice, but not like banana or mango. You need to use the type of fruit that have the same texture. Yeah. Hope you remember the ice block we make at the beginning of this video. So that is it. In the middle of the fruit is to make the fruit chew and also make the fruit layers. I will be adding drinks to this fruit, and the type of drinks we need is soda drinks and red wine. So here I'll be using non-alcoholic wine. So if you are taking alcohol, you can put red wine that contains alcohol. This wine I'm using is fruit wine and it does not contain alcohol, and I'm also using Sprite for this drink. This is how it looks like when adding some soda drinks to it. I hope you enjoyed this sangria fruit drinks, and please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this recipe, and I would like you to give this recipe, this fruit drink, a try, because this fruit drink is so delicious and it's also healthy. You can prepare these fruit drinks for your family, and you can also prepare it to entertain your girls, and this fruit drink is so amazing for festive period, for like EID and Christmas time. As we're in Christmas period right now, I will like you to try this recipe to combine with your food. And this fruit drink is really so amazing that whoever you share it with, I mean, you use it to entertain, we always ask for more, because this is what I used to entertain my guests whenever they came to visit me for festive period. And it's so nice, they always ask for more. This sangria fruit drinks, I make this on my hubby's birthday and we really enjoy it in my family. Thank you so much for watching. Till you see me in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.